girls, today you join me. It's day 3. This is the third attempt to record this because the first time I forgot to plug in my audio. So we made it to the top of one of the mountain ranges. Very nice indeed, apart from these itchy bum moments. If you look at that, that is a sheer drop. We are heading down now, but on the way up it was pretty much the opposite. We're heading to the highest paved road in Europe today, which is located in France. So that should be pretty cool. It's already quite hard to breathe actually up here. You can notice you're sort of short of breath. Check this thing out. We went past this thing yesterday, I think, or the day before yesterday. Awesome, really cool car. Imagine driving that all over the Alps. How cool would that be? So yeah, we're heading there now. Currently about 1,200 kilometers into the trip. A few days left to go. But yeah, the scenery is stunning, as you'd expect, in the Alps. We're going to stop at the next ski resort, grab a coffee and some lunch, or just a coffee, as it still is only 10:49. One thing that is quite annoying on the Alps, but is abundant of, is cyclists. I had a hairy moment with a cyclist earlier today, cut me up, pulled out on me, which was the nicest experience. But hey ho, in hindsight I probably should have turned around and told him what I thought about that, but never mind, we move on, get over it, enjoy the trip, and the stunning roads and scenery, good friends, and get on with it. Look at this bridge coming up. I always wonder who the hell did build this stuff. Like, at what point in time were people here and thought, yeah, this needs a bridge? I mean, I guess it was just the road that they built first to connect everything together, and then the buildings came with it. But anyway, I don't think I'll turn off the camera yet. Look at this. All the way to the bottom. Oh my goodness. There is a danger of falling rock on the Alps. I have noticed a few times there's been rocks just smashed in the middle of the road, which is yeah, I guess you roll the dice with that one. If you're very unlucky, you might get hit by it, or it might get in your way or something. Yeah, if you're queasy with heights, look at that. If you're queasy with heights, it's probably not the one. Wow. I'm gonna shut up now and just enjoy the ride. Definitely harder to breathe. I'm getting less oxygen, and my mate Dan in front's bike is running a little bit rich, so all I can smell is fuel. This is so nice. Roads aren't great up here, they're okay. I won't put all my faith in them though. Outside here, because we can. God, right, I got shot. Struggling to get up this hill. Hard on the brakes, don't go off the edge, die. That wouldn't be a great trip. I wouldn't remember it. Little settlements down the bottom. Do you wonder what's in them? These sheep. Oh. Nice when you can see around the corner first. Use the whole road. Just quite a couple of GS's. Wow, I don't know if you can hear how bumpy it is.
A close one.
Damn, we'll try anyway. Nah. I feel like these are very cambered. Fucking hell. catch you all soon. We're stopping for a brew. Hope you enjoyed that. Ciao for now.
1